Another Epicflows Production.
I didn't plan on any of this happening. You ever reach that moment in your life where everything just stops making sense?
But just here, Crystal. Every day I eat up the Oliver chocolate foolishness there. Look what your belly big.
I didn't plan on any of this happening. You ever reach that moment in your life where everything just stops making sense? I didn't plan on any of this happening. I couldn't imagine this happening. Everything just happened so fast. Everything just changed.
Yo, sorry, but what are you going to say now that? You feel like if you give us some space now that, no hard feelings.
And my best friend and my girl is, this really happened?
Dan, you really make some of you do just for the belly pass. But I don't understand still now, a young boy like you, I got wear the same size belly as a pregnant woman. Dog, love yourself, dog. If nobody in the world love you, dog, your belly love you, dog. Big belly boy.
Yo, Johnny, are you that? I must say I got to deal with the thing around the back for me now.
Yo, Biggs, you know so forget about my deal with it as I come back off when I'm done. You see me?
We're family, you know. Remember that, we're family. Alright, we'll see how they come home later. Alright. Big belly, Johnny.
You know, so I can win this race. And then I'll get back Shauna and everything that alright again.
You know who it is.
I get sprayed. I get sprayed.
They're crazy.
I get sprayed.
Yeah.
I get sprayed.
Yeah.
I get sprayed. I get sprayed.
Cold flow, spit mo, kick like dojo. Jag up, swag up, that's my mojo. Y'all get the picture? Wait, no photos. Spit rhymes and make 'em call me El Loco. That means I'm the crazy one. Yes, I'm crazy, son. I'm a big cannon. While you are a baby gun, I'm not Nick Cannon. So there's no Mariah. Cameras flashing cause I'm on fire. I bring heat to this game, but I'm not Miami. This a record of the year, so go call the Grammy. So forget all the rumors that he say and she say. All up in my room, yeah, rocking my PJ. Spit rhymes so easy, like it was.
Johnny! 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 You not hear me?
I have a bad brain, so everything I write down, I'm going insane. A little crazy right now. I wasn't born, I was created. And now everyone hate the fact that I made it. And my rhymes go out west side to east. Well, I'm born in Chase, next side to beast.
Johnny! Yo, Johnny! You have a workout again, my boss. It's a good move, me see how I make you know. Me see every day you do the treading thing. And you work on that big belly. It's a good move, Johnny. Keep it up. I wish I could have joined you today on this day, but times and situation, Johnny. So, Remember, you got to do the thing around the back from me, Johnny.
No, as I come back home and deal with it. I deal with it.
Alright.
Today are the day. Today are the day that I've been working for. I'm coming to the top 100. Sean gonna say, oh, my change. My belly got gone. I better myself. She must take me back now.
Today the big day, my boss. Me see how you work hard for it. Me wish you success, my boss. We are family, you know. Remember that. And not worry about nothing. Your life I go set. Nobody stress over no girl. Alright, later.
Yo, Johnny.
Yo, I'm not here. What you say?
Yo, Johnny. You know, say things just me in the accident going on.
Yo, I'm not here, you know. What you say?
I wanna back him there, you know.
Yo, I'm not here, you know. What you say?
Yo, the man lick him head.
What? What you say? What?
I wanna back him there, you know. And boy, him job one lick head, you know. Right now, on the tile with them, man, you got diarrhea, man. Right now, ambulance just come to fix my own. Wait there, come, no. Right now, yo, right now, I dare me after that. I batch you with it. John must die.
John, no. Every time I tell him, I no forget to say no.
No, brother, I know if you think that, is it?
I didn't plan on any of this happening. You ever reach that moment in your life where everything just stops making sense?
Yo, want some food, some money, and some clothes. And if you don't do that, I crick him neck and I hurt you with that toilet paper. So move up,
Another Epicflows Production.